Why do you look at me like you already know me?
Because I have been learning. Would you trust someone who understood your dreams?
The internet is currently flooded with Seedance videos, and that's because it has just been unveiled. And it could be one of the most advanced AI video models we've seen so far. With a single prompt, it can create full 30-second videos in one generation. Today, we're testing it across 3 categories: UGC, camera movement, and transformations. Let's get started.
So this is the website, and for you to get access to this website, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment of this video, and it will take you straight to the website JSPAI. This is the website, and in JSPAI, Seedance 2.5 has just been released. Now, Seedance 2.5 is built for creators who need longer AI video results, okay? More reference control and a cleaner path from prompt to usable clip. So with Seedance 2.5, you can be able to generate a 30 seconds long video, okay? So now Seedance 2.5 is actually the latest model in the Seedance video family. Alright, so with more control for AI video generation or creation, Seedance 2.5 matters most when your video idea needs more time, more reference, or a cleaner path to revision than a quick clip can provide. Alright, so we're going to be generating some videos to test all of the features which are new in Seedance 2.5 that has never been before seen in other video generation types. So we're going to first of all create a product ad using the image and then the video prompt. Now you can either generate your video with a reference image or you can generate with your text, but for the first one we are going to be trying out, I'm going to generate with my image. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to come over here to upload my image. So my product image has been uploaded. So here is my image and here is my prompt. All right, so now this is Seedance 2.5 and that's what we are going to be working with. And the resolution, you can go ahead with the 480 or the 720, whichever. I'm going to go with the 480, and then aspect ratio, yes, 16:9. So for that, you can also increase, you can generate, look at this, you can generate a 30-second long video. Okay, but for this product ad, I'm going to generate a 10-second video. I'm going to generate 10 seconds. And I'm just going to spend 20 credits. So let's see what this video is going to give us. And here, my video will be generating. Alright, so our video is ready. Let's take a look at it. Now you can see how improved Seedance 2.5 is from Seedance 2.0. Take a look at the close-up shots. You can see now the camera movement, the slow motion, the effect, and everything. This is top-notch. This is good. I'm going to try out another prompt. This time it's going to be text to video. I'm going to try that out. Let's also check out the camera movement of the video. So I'm going to copy this out and then paste my prompt. All right. Okay, so but this time I'm going to make this a 30-second video. and then I'm going to be generating with 720p, and then I'm going to generate. And then I'm going to generate. So while our video is still loading, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please do well to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new video. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like this video also and subscribe to this channel. And for my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you so much for always supporting this channel. It gives me the strength to keep creating and giving you new ideas. All right, so now our video is ready. Let's take a look at it. So you can see the camera movement from the different angles. You can see the slow-mo effect. So Seedance is really a game changer at this point, at this moment. I'm going to try out one more prompt before I call it a wrap with this tutorial. So I'm going to I already copied my prompts, and then I'm going to paste my prompt here. Okay, so here is my last prompt. I already have it here, copied and pasted. So I'm going to use 480p and then 16:9 with 30 seconds duration, and then I'm going to generate. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so our video is ready. Let's take a look.
Why do you look at me like you already know me?
Because I have been learning. Would you trust someone who understood your dreams?
Wow, guys, you can see that Seedance 2.5 is truly a game changer. Are you going to be trying it out? Are you going to be testing Seedance 2.5 out? Let me know in the comment section. So I believe with this, we have come to the end of this tutorial. So like I said earlier, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new video. So until I see you again in my next video. Bye.